Hi, thank you for choosing CreativeBooth.tools. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a template using the AI Template Creator. I'm going to show you some tricks along the way that will make your templates look amazing on your first try.
Now, the first thing we are presented with when we open this tool is the template selector. Here, all you have to do is select the layout you want to use for your event. Let's pick this first as an example. It is perfect for booths with cameras set in portrait mode. Here we have two options. We can choose an image from the design library or upload your own image. The design library contains a growing library of images that I also like to call inspiration images. This library is always growing as our design team is constantly uploading new designs. They can be filtered by occasions and styles in order to make it easier to find the right design for your event. But today we are going to try something different.
I don't know about you, but sometimes all I get as a reference image is an invitation for the event. Well, we can work with that too. I'll show you how.
From step 2, we are going to choose the option to upload our image as reference. Here I'm selecting the invitation I received from the client. Let me show you the invitation because here there is a little bit of magic involved. Notice how the invitation has text, and we don't want that. But you don't have to worry. Our image model is trained to ignore all text and only focus on what's important, the design and vibe of the image. So let's select it and forget about editing the reference image. Here's the fun part. We have the option to add the logo or monogram for the event. We can also include the date for the event, add our brand watermark to the template, as well as some advanced options. Let's start with the monogram. First, I just type the text that I want to include on the monogram. So I'll type Aylin's Kinsey. You don't need to do this, but I like to select the occasion for the event from the dropdown. Let's select Quinceañera. I can also include some special instructions for the monogram if I want. Let me just type, add a butterfly on top of the first letter. I will also include the date for the event. Let me just type it, May 9th, 2026. I recommend that you add your branding or your phone number that will help you promote your business. So let me just type it, CreativeBooth.tools. Done. In advanced options, you can force the model to use the frames that you like, or just leave it in auto mode and let the model pick the one that best fits your style. You can even force it to use certain color for the frames by using the color picker, or just typing the color on the tab called Text Description. You can also give special instructions to the AI model, such as include the girl with the dress as part of the design, or make the flowers more prominent. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is, and let our model do its magic. So now I'm ready to generate the template. Now, generating your template usually takes about 60 to 90 seconds, and I will show you why shortly. But you don't really have to wait on this screen. You can even close the page and navigate to other tools. That's because on any tool that you use, you can always go to your dashboard located on top of the page. Here, you will find a history of your templates or monogram ready to download. Now, it's important to remember that all images are kept on our servers for 24 hours, which is plenty of time to download them or come back later. Well, let's go back to check on our template generation. Wow, look how beautiful. Here is the reason why it could take a few more than 60 seconds. That's because we are now presented with 3 images that are ready to be used. They have full transparent background ready to be downloaded. First, we have the monogram itself. In case you need to use it for displaying it on a wall projector or a TV screen during the event, then we have the template with no monogram. This is in case you want to make post-production adjustments or add a different monogram later. And finally, we have our masterpiece. Look how beautiful it is. It has the monogram placed where it should. It added the date where it's visible but not invasive, and finally, our branding. So you can show off the amazing templates you provide to your clients. But we are not done yet. See this button right here underneath any image? You can still fine-tune your image even more. Make the colors vivid or cinematic, even make it sepia, like old-fashioned. You can play with the hue or temperature to change and adjust the colors to perfection. For now, I'm going to download this image as it is. I love it.
Thank you for watching this video, and remember, you can be as creative as you like with just a few clicks with this simple but powerful creative tool.